Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar 2024 ZWSOFT competition. Today we will go through all the details about this competition so that you can better prepare for it. Before we start, let me introduce myself first. I'm Sabrina from ZWSOFT Global Sales Team, and right next to me is our technical expert, Brian. He will further explain all the training information and the tips about the competition later. And then here we have our group of Facebook user group. So after this webinar, I hope you can follow it. In the future, we will update all the relevant information about this competition there. Okay, so this is the agenda. Firstly, I will give a brief introduction about our company, and then we will go through the overview, the general information about the competition, and then I will highlight the main timeline for you so that you can keep it in mind. And in the last part, we will explain about the training and the tips. Okay. So let's watch this video to get a quick look at ZWSOFT.
The need for sustainable innovation has never been greater in a world facing urgent challenges. As our environment changes rapidly, innovations that shape a more sustainable future rely on powerful, accessible design and engineering tools. With these tools in hand, your innovations have the power to connect, make our world more efficient, and bring people closer. Your passion and dedication inspire others to make a difference. Your ideas have the power to change the world. Together, we can improve anything, develop new ideas, and drive sustainable innovation. Together, we challenge the status quo, reinvent the old, make it better, and improve the way things are made. Together, we enable others so they can bring their ideas to life. Together, we can improve everything, develop new ideas, and drive sustainable innovation. We strive to create the best software platforms, empowering innovators across disciplines to bring their ideas to life. We strive to develop solutions with cutting-edge sustainability tools and AI, empowering you to explore, analyze, and iterate with precision. We build platforms and solutions to design, engineer, and create tomorrow. We provide the tools to empower global innovation. At ZWSOFT, we strive for a tomorrow where ingenuity and sustainability solve the world's challenges. ZWSOFT, empowering sustainable innovation with all-in-one CAD, CAE, CAM solutions.
Okay. Thank you for watching. Let's have a look at the key figures about ZWSOFT. It's a global company with more than 1,600 employees, and so far we have 15 offices based in Asia, Europe, and Americas. Since 1998, ZWSOFT has started its history in global CAD/CAM solution provider, and so far we have users all over the world, okay, over 90 countries. And not just in commercial markets, we also have more than 70,000 collaborative schools and institutions in educational area. These are the three main product portfolio in our company for 2D CAD and 3D CAD/CAM CAE all-in-one solution. And then we have a independent CAE software. In this competition, you will need to use our two major popular software, ZWCAD MFG version and also ZW3D. ZW3D is an easy to learn all-in-one 3D CAD/CAM solution so that you can take you through the entire product development journey from conception to production. So you will get to learn more about our software by later explanation and also when you use it. Okay, let's go direct to the competition overview. This competition is for global undergraduate students. Okay, so to join this competition, that means you will take the competition totally online, and you need to finish the drawing within 24 hours and then submit via the required channel. Okay, so it's totally free for no charge for the registration, and it's open to university or vocational school. Okay, I think this is a global stage for our students to connect with fellow students from all over the world and showcase your talent in this platform. Okay, so how this CAD competition can benefit our students? I mean, why we suggest you to join us? Firstly, as long as you submit your drawings, you will get the certificate of participation issued by ZWSOFT. This is the sample, okay? And secondly, all the registered students, we will offer you free educational license so that you can use our software even after the competition. During your daily drawing, you can practice, okay? And then the third one is the excellent drawings we will offer. We will give the excellent awards. There are three, first place, second place, and the third place. Okay, you can check all the details in our website. Okay, the highest price is up to $1,300, and what's more, we will offer you a free trip to our headquarters office in China. Actually, we want the student to join us in our global exciting event called Z World. It's an event we will have our global partners and all the CAD/CAM experts from global. We will invite all the influencers to join this event so that students can know about the different insights from different talents. Will be a very interesting event. Okay, next, let's have a look at the competition task. So for this year, we will still offer two tasks. So it's open for the category is mechanical design. So we have two tasks. The student can choose task A, task B, or both. One is for 2D mechanical design, so using ZWCAD 2024 MFG version. Another is 3D modeling using the the ZW3D academic version. Okay, so Bram will give more details about this, so I just pass to next page. Let's look at the competition calendar. Okay, this is the main timeline. So after today's kickoff meeting, so you can download and start to practice the software. The registration deadline is the end of this month, and then the competition day will start on July 20th. So, and the winner announcement is planned to be on August. Okay, so let's look at the process: how to join, how to register, and how to join the competition. Okay, firstly, registration. This is the steps. You need to fill in the registration form. It's Google form. Okay, and then you will receive confirmation email from us. You need to check your registered mailbox to get the free education license and download the software and also activate it, and you can practice after that. Okay, so no registration fee, please do remember. This is the product download and training videos on our website. Yeah, don't forget to check it. Next is the competition day. During that day, okay, what is the process for you to submit your drawings? Okay, so firstly, the competition task, the official task will be disclosed on that day. So, and meanwhile, you will receive a notification email by us, and then you can check all the details step by step about how you can submit your drawing after you finish it. Okay, so please check the task at our website. This is the address. And then you can start your design with our required software. Please do remember you need to design, finish the drawings independently. Make sure it's originally from your work, okay? And then you submit your final drawings within July 21st, 10 a.m. and Beijing time. Okay, after you submit, you will receive the confirmation email from us too. Okay, this is the example. We did it in last year. So on that day, in the website, this open will be available. You can click here to submit your drawings, and then after your submit, this is the email example. Okay. Okay, that's all for the brief introduction. Next, let's welcome Brian to further explain the training and all the
This
tips
is Brian,
for you to
application
prepare.
engineer from ZWSOFT. Today, I'm glad to be here and be the trainer for ZWSOFT CAD Competition 2024. Okay, I'll let you know about our competition. At first, I think it's necessary to let you know about the content I'll tell you today, and it includes these 5 parts. Firstly, I will give you a brief overview about our software that's required to use during the competition, ZWCAD MFG and ZW3D. Next, I will tell you the competition criteria about it, and let you know about our previous competition. And you will know what is an excellent result and how to make your result excellent and get the good grades. Next, I will let you know how to get more training material so that you can be more skilled in our software. Finally, if you have more questions, please feel free to ask us and we can communicate about it. Okay, let's start our first part, software overview. At first, it's about the ZWCAD MFG. As we know, ZWCAD is a familiar CAD software that's familiar with some other software such as AutoCAD. I think some of you have known about AutoCAD since your major is mechanical, and AutoCAD is widely used in mechanical industry. And our CAD software is familiar with it. And based on ZWCAD, ZWCAD MFG adds some other features for the mechanical industry, such as the customizable design standards and the smart tools for the whole mechanical design workflow, and some part libraries for these features can improve efficiency of the designers. So this is the basic introduction about ZWCAD MFG. Next is about the ZW3D. It's an all-in-one solution. Why I called it all-in-one solution? As shown in this page, you can design the parts in the ZW3D and then assemble them together. Next, we provide you with sufficient tools to check whether the design is reasonable. Since it's an all-in-one solution, the mode design, 2D drawing, CAE analysis, and CAM module can all be directly used in our software, so that an engineer can complete the whole process of a product in the ZW3D. Just one software can cover all the workflow. Okay, this is about the ZW3D. I think maybe you have a basic understanding of our software. If you are still confused about our software, don't worry. I will provide you more materials in the end. Okay, next, let's introduce our competition. Firstly, I will let you know about our criteria. So at first, we provide you with two tasks, Task A and Task B, for you to take part in our competitions. In the Task A, we will provide you with the part drawing, which is the format is image. And based on the image, you need to create the drawing in the ZWCAD MFG. And at first, you need to make sure that all the graphics in the image will be created correctly in your 2D drawing. And next, as we can see, there are a lot of annotations and dimensions in the drawing. So you need to create them with our MFG features so that you can complete the drawing. But that's not enough, because the layer is also important. In the design workflow, we need to set the layer for different objects to manage them and improve our efficiency. So during the competition, you need to set the layer correctly. After that, you need to insert the drawing frame. ZWCAD MFG provides the advanced features to insert the frame directly. You need to use the features. At last, please make your drawing clean, and so that it looks better. On the right side is what the result you need to reach. Okay, this is about the task A, and the next is about the task B. In the task B, you will make it in ZW3D. At first, we will give you several drawings, including the part drawing and the assembly drawing. And then you need to create the part drawing. Because your major is mechanical, I think you are able to read the part drawing, and you need to create the models based on the drawing, create the 3D models. After you create all the 3D models, you need to assemble them together in the ZW3D and add the constraint and make sure that there is no interference between each part. After that, you need to create a 2D drawing based on the 3D model. ZW3D has a 2D drawing module for you to make this part. This is what you need to make in the end. As we can see, the 3D assembly and the 2D drawing. But that's not enough. If you want to get a high score, you need to make the 3D models more looks better, optimize its appearance. For example, add the colors or add the materials for each part. But for the 2D drawing, based on your mechanical knowledge, you need to express it well with some key dimensions or some important views. And a complete 2D drawing should include the balloons, technical requirements, and the necessary views and the boom table, so that this is a whole 2D drawing. Okay, this is about our competition criteria. And next, let's take a review of previous competition. In this part, you will know what is an excellent result and what is a general result, and how you can make your result excellent. Okay, this is the test paper last year, and we gave the competitor a part drawing, and the aim is to draw part graphics and add annotations. Then set the right drawing frame and set layer. At last, set line weights. This is all the aims that you need to complete. Let's take a look about the results last year. This is an excellent work. As we can see, all the graphics are created correctly, and it added various annotations. Maybe you are not understand why the result is excellent. Okay, we provide you a general works for you to compare. The difference is obvious. As we can see, on the right side, the general work didn't set the layer correctly. All the colors are the same, and the line weight is not set. Although it draws all graphics in the right size, but it's still the general work because it's not complete all the line weight and the layer. Therefore, if you want to make your result better than others, not only you need to make the graphics correct, but you also need to set layers and use our MFG features to create all the annotations so that you can get a good grade and have more chance to get a reward. Okay, this is about the task A last year. Next is about the task B last year. As we can see, we will give you the drawing, and in last year, the drawing includes 21 parts, and some of them are standard parts, and you need to insert them in ZW3D because ZW3D has standard part library. And then you need to complete all the other parts that are not given, and you need to create them step by step. After the part is designed, just complete the assembly at the constraint, and next you can create the 2D drawing. At last, don't forget to optimize the appearance. Okay, let's have a look about the result last year. The left side is an excellent work last year. As we can see, all the features are created correctly. And how about the general work? Why is a general work? As we can see on the right side, the features, some of the features is not created correctly here. And we can also see that the material is not added, so all the colors is in default, and looks not as good as the left one. So although the most important thing is to make sure that the part you designed is correct and every size is correct. But if you want to make your result better, and you need to add the colors, add the materials, so that it can be excellent. Of course, there are some bad results that cannot even create the whole assembly, and hope you can complete all the assembly correctly. Okay, that's about the competition last year I shared with you. Finally, I can let you know how to get more training materials so that you can be skilled in our software. At first, we have our competition website, and in the picture here, I highlight 2 videos that you must watch them so that you can get good grades. Otherwise, you don't know how to create the parts and how to use our software. If your time is limited, please don't forget to complete these 2 videos. And let's go through the website and have a quick look. Wait a minute, the website is opening. Okay, this is our website. And about the overview. Okay, can you see the new screen? Here is our website. About the overview, we have introduced you, and I will not repeat here. And this is the task you need to complete and the relevant criteria I have shared with you. At last, we can pay attention to this one, the training video. We provide you with several training videos, and these two, you need to watch them when you have time. And if you have more time, you can complete other videos, and including how the ZW3D overview and tell you how to design parts in ZW3D and other videos to help you get customized with our software interface. And we also provide you the download link. So you just need to click it and you will download and install our software. Okay, let's go back to our PowerPoint and I will share with you more methods to learn our software. Okay, apart from the competition website, you can also find some useful training material, training videos in our YouTube. And I'd like to, and you can click it and or you can also follow us, ZWSOFT, and you can find some various kind of videos, including the ZW3D and the ZWCAD MFG. Besides that, if you have complete all the trainings we provided with you, but you want to be more skilled in our software to get a good grades in the competition, you can send email to us and apply for our official training courses so that you can be more skilled in our software. And I think you will get a good grade. Okay, that's all about our training, and I hope you will go through videos I just introduced with you. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to talk with us and I will answer your questions.
Okay. So yes. Okay, so we have a question here. Is the training course free? Yes. So the training course will include the full package of ZWCAD and ZW3D. So we'll start from very basic command functions. So of course, I think we offer free for the registered students. But we also need to remind that it will take a lot of time. But I believe you will learn, you will master and learn the software better by this full course. Yeah, if you need it, just send email to me. That's okay. Okay, so do we? If you have any questions about the competition, you can type in the chat box. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, the registration is very easy. You just go to our web page and submit your information, fill in the Google form, and then you will receive the notification, the confirmation email from us, and we will give you a step-by-step guideline by emails. Okay. Is there any other questions? So far, the competition day is scheduled on July 20th. So on that day, we will the final, I mean, the competition official task will be open on the website. So please check there, and also you need to submit your drawing in the website. Let's see. A word or two regarding the configuration needed. Do you mean sorry, Andrew, can our computer can be yes. 是需要 do students need to configure their computer?
Yeah, we have the system requirement, and you can, when you download, after you install our software, you can press F1 and you will see the computer requirement. And
Okay.
Our software is for the Windows system, and the Mac version might not support currently.
Yeah, very good question. Thank you. We will check. Maybe Brian, can you find the full information in our website and then copy to me? I will type in the chat box so you will have details. You can know where to know about the detailed configuration of our products. On the is run computer camera. Oh, okay. On the competition day, no, we do not require to run computer camera, but but all the students are required to finish their drawing independently, and also they need to use our required software. We will check the drawings. Once we found it's yeah, we reserve the right to cancel his validation for this competition. So we have our method to check it. So we don't require to put the camera on, but we do require students to finish independently and also using our software. Okay. So Bren, can you find out the configuration? Okay, 1 second. I will. Okay. Okay, after this webinar, we will send you the recorded video and also answers to of the questions we covered for this meeting. So you will receive the detailed configuration by email. Okay. So does anyone have any other questions? If oh, sorry. Okay, thank you. Okay, I think we can call it a day now. So thank you for joining the webinar, and we will send you all the relevant video and materials as soon as possible. Okay, you will receive within tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for attending. Bye bye. Bye bye.